everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. Today I have a special DIY for you. This month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is October, and I had wanted to share some pink themed DIYs, home decor for your desk, for your wall, any part of your house. I pretty much want to take it out of the typical element of just the pink ribbon. I wanted to put my own spin on this breast cancer awareness pink theme decor. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do DIYs, home decor, tablescapes, shopping videos, and much more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. loved how everything turned out. It's so glamorous and sparkly, and I love how each individual picture has its own element. I like how one has a camera, the other one says Treasure Journey. It looks so good, and it just gives me the pink girly vibes, and I love that. So thank you all so much for tuning in to this quick pink decor DIY. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll see you guys in my next video.